Class, open your science book. Today we are going to start chapter number 1, Earth as a living planet. So first of all, we need to understand what makes our Earth as a living planet. Why we cannot go and live on Jupiter, Mars or Mercury. What are those factors that support life on Earth? Let's go. The factors that are required for the life on Earth are: the first one is temperature. If the temperature is too hot or too cold, living beings cannot survive on this planet Earth or any other planet. The temperature of Earth makes Earth a living planet. The temperature of Earth is suitable for the survival of living beings. So the first factor that is required for the sustenance of life on Earth is temperature. The second factor is sunlight. The second most important factor is the sunlight. As sunlight is the source of heat and light, if there will be no sun, there would be no light and heat. How the plants would grow without sunlight? How can the animals would be able to get their food? So the second important factor for the maintenance of life on Earth is the sunlight. The third factor is the water. There is no life without water. Animals cannot survive without water. Our body consists of 70% of water. Nobody on Earth can survive without water. Plants need water to make their food. So the third important factor is water. The fourth one is air. Air is a mixture of different gases. It has oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and many more. Air is important for living things. We all need air for breathing. Plants also need air to make their food. The fifth one is soil. Soil is very important for life as the plants grow in it. All animals depend on plants for their food and shelter. There are many small insects that live in plants. So these are the 5 factors that are important for the survival of living beings on this planet Earth. The first one is temperature, second one is sunlight, third one is water, fourth one is air, and fifth one is soil. Okay class, let's understand the word habitat. Habitat is an environment in which plants and animals live. It is a home for animals and plants. According to their nature, they can survive over there. Here are some areas around the world where different types of animals live. The first one is polar region. Some parts of Earth always covered with snow throughout the year. These areas are polar regions. The animals that live in these regions have thick skin and thick fur on their bodies to survive the extreme weather conditions. Animals of the polar regions are polar bear, Canadian lynx, wolverine, snowy owl, Arctic wolf, musk ox, whale, caribou, emperor penguin. The second large area of the world is a forest. Forest is a large area with many plants and trees. Forest is full of wild animals who eat other animals' grass and leaves of plants for their survival. Here are some forest animals: koala, panda, lion, kangaroo, chimpanzee, monkey, reindeer, giraffe, gorilla, hare, antelope, lizard, snake, puma, hyena, jackal, rhinoceros. Desert is a very dry area with lack of water. They do not get much rain. In desert, only few animals and plants can survive with a small amount of water. Here are some desert animals: scorpio, horned lizard, camel, ostrich, rattlesnake, camel, roadrunner, meerkat, desert tortoise, Jelena, cactus, plant. Mountain is a landform that rises high above the surroundings. Here are some mountain animals: bears, mountain goats, gazelles, cougars, bobcats, wolves, coyotes, elk, gorillas, llamas, eagle, falcons. River and sea is a habitat for many aquatic life. They either use their lungs or gills to breathe. Here are some aquatic animals: crab, seahorse, glowfish, turtle, dolphin, starfish, prawn, snail, sea urchin, penguin, octopus, sea, jellyfish, clownfish, tuna, shark. So class, we have almost completed our chapter. Hopefully you will remember all the points that we have discussed.